little lady chain goes clear off that ring where you roll away and circle to the left. 4 ladies roll away, circle it that way, left out man a corner weaves that ring. If because you think you're so pretty, swing that girl and love it there. I'm telling you, baby, I'm through with you because, yes, because it's promenade, tack round that road, down the middle and square through 4 hands. 4 hands are bound, your right, left through, and then here's the left and the Ferris wheel and go. Square through 3 hands, in the corner lady swing, swing that girl and promenade. Well, I'm telling you, baby, I'm through with you because, yes, because it's square through 4 hands around you go, get around the corner, let it outside door, swing through and then boys run to the right, bend the line and do it right and left through. You flutter wheel, flutter mountain, and then slide through. Swing that pretty girl and promenade. Well, I'm telling you, baby, I'm through with you because, yes, because circle it. Just because you think you're so pretty, just because you think you're so hot. Left down man that corner and come back with an outside door. Left down man a corner to be that man. Just because you think you got something, swing that girl and promenade. Well, I'm telling you, baby, I'm through with you because, yes, because side square through 4 hands around you go, get around the corner, let it outside go. Swing through and then spin the top, my friend. Boys move up and do a right and left through. You flutter wheel, flutter around, you sweep 1/4 more. Swing that pretty girl and promenade. Well, I'm telling you, baby, I'm through with you because, yes, because side square through 4 hands around you go, get around the corner, let it outside door. Swing through and then spin the top, my friend. Boys move up and do a right and left through. Flutter wheel, flutter around, you sweep 1/4 more. Swing that pretty girl and promenade. Well, I'm telling you, baby, I'm through with you because, yes, because 4 boys promenade up behind that ring. Yes, back home, give that girl a swing. Join hands and circle to the left, go walking around. Left out of man a corner to weave that ring. Just because you think you got something, swing that girl and promenade. Well, I'm telling you, baby, I'm through with you because, yes, because, yes, because, all right, yeah.